Hey, what's going on? Joe here at you again. Got another unboxing for you folks here. This time I've got for you the Gentleman's Box Premium Edition for June. Actually, this is the summer 2018 edition. Since this is actually a quarterly, not a monthly box. They send these out every 3 months, and this is my first premium box from Gentleman's Box. I've already done a couple of Gentleman's Box Classic Editions, which come out monthly, but this is my first premium box for y'all. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm already just liking the presentation of this box. It comes in this really awesome looking box. I'll probably keep the box itself. This is a really nice looking box. But let's open it up and check it out and see what's inside of it, shall we? Oh yeah, I'm liking the presentation even better. I'll show you this, but I'll definitely be keeping this box now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the inside here. Red velvet. This is red velvet lined and everything. Show you what kind of VIP you are here. I like it. I like it. That's awesome. So let's check this out, see what's inside now. Alright. First thing that comes in it is a little coupon code here for carved.com. Next purchase is 50%. My next purchase there is 50% off. So that's cool. I might have to check that out later. Oh, very nice. Look at this. A gift from Vincero Watches. Nice looking watch there. And apparently with this card, I get $50 off of any purchase there. So I'll have to check this one out too. Already looking good in this box. I like it. And it looks like, as with the books that come with the little pamphlets that come with the Gentleman's Box Classic, they also come with the premium box as well to show you what you're getting inside. And this is the Coastal Edition, which is pretty cool since I live on the central coast of California myself. I like that. And it just, yeah, shows you everything that's inside the box in real nice full color photos. Shows you what everything's worth as well. Excuse me there. Now let's see what's in the box here. Okay. Little tie bag here from Original Grain. Let's see what's inside. Oh, nice. Looks like it comes with a little bracelet here. Little is right. I hope this thing is adjustable. This gotta be adjustable. Oh yeah, it is. Awesome. Looks like it comes with some little wooden beads in black and tan. Show that to you. I'll have to check that out a little later on my wrist, I think. And next up, this is from a company called Woodchuck. Buy one, plant one. Looks like if you buy one of the products, they'll plant a tree for you, maybe. And, oh, this is cool. So wooden, it looks like it's a wooden credit card sized bottle opener. So you can put this in your wallet if you want, and take this bottle opener with you on the go. Nice. Nice and heavy too. Good, sturdy. Next up we have handcrafted, some kind of wooden tube here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, nice. Okay. Another drawstring bag. I can already tell what these are. I'll show you in just a moment. Let's get this off. Yeah, oh, nice. These are really nice looking. The arms of these sunglasses are made out of wood. And the name of the brand on it, excuse me, is Wooden, WDN. What do you think? Not bad. Not bad at all. Add these to my sunglasses collection. And they did come in that really nice wooden tube as well. So that's pretty cool. And just in case you want the name of that company again, it is Wooden, handcrafted. And moving along, let's see what's up next. I do like those sunglasses though, those are pretty nice looking. With the arms made out of wood. Okay, next up, looks like we have ourselves a Bluetooth speaker. Looks like it's it's got the appearance of a dark wood grain on it. Really small, inconspicuous. You can just put this in the corner of a room, and hopefully it'll provide some good sound. You never have enough speakers. So far, so good for this Gentleman's Box Premium Edition. Alright, now next up, looks like we have ourselves something from Dead Soxy. Dead Soxy. They are a designer dress sock company. So let's see what they sent over. Okay. Looks like these are no-show socks that they sent over. Yeah, no-show socks, designed in Dallas, and let's see, they are made of 75% bamboo, 20% polyester, 5% elastane. And since this is the coastal edition of the premium box, looks like we even have some ocean waves on these socks. Not bad. Little lightweight sock. Wear these with some loafers or so. Yeah, let's put those aside for now. Okay, lastly in this box, we have ourselves another box to open. Let's see what's in this one. Okay, we have ourselves a leather bag here from Brook and Company. This is a Tech Dot Kit. Let's open it up and see what that means. Oh yeah, look at that. There's plenty of room in this bag too. Nice fine grain leather too. Very nice. Plenty of room to put like some headphones in there, some cord management up here, little pocket here to put accessories in, a zippered pocket at that. This is just a nice bag. Can't go wrong with leather. Very nice. And that looks like that is it for this edition, the summer edition 2018 of the Gentleman's Box Premium Edition. I'm very impressed with this box. I like it a lot. I like the items that I've received before from Gentleman's Box, and they definitely didn't disappoint with this one either. Even with the box itself, I'll be keeping this. So, with that said, you all have yourselves a good one, and I'll talk to you next time.